Hello everyone, your Excel Wizard here today teaching you about the product function. So I'm going to go up here, hit my function argument or my insert function box, and I'm going to click this product function, and it's going to tell me that this function just multiplies all the numbers that I want to multiply together. So for example, I want to multiply 3 times 3, and you'll see that the answer to this is 9. So when I hit OK, that 9 is going to populate in cell A1. So I hit OK, and there's that 9. But most people want to use Excel in a more advanced manner than this. So with the product function, most of the time you are adding up two cells together in your workbook that already exists. So I'm going to come over to cell A1. I'm going to type in my equals product function. And instead of typing in a number, I'm going to click a cell. I'm going to click cell C1. I'm going to hit this comma, and then I'm going to click cell D1. And then I'm going to click the check mark, and you'll see that the product of the values in cell C1 and D1 come out to 9. However, the difference in what I just did compared to what I did in the previous example is that if I change any value in cell D1, so if I change this to 4 and hit the check mark, you'll see that the answer changes to 12, because this is not just multiplying two numbers together, this is multiplying the value into cells. So when you change the value in those cells, the formula adapts. Now, most of the time you actually don't even need the product function to do this. If you would like, you can hit the equal sign, click cell C1 or whatever cell you want, click the asterisk, and then click cell D1. And then you click the check mark, and just like that, you have the same exact result. So really, it's up to you, just your preference, however you'd like to go about it. Either way works. But that's all there is to know about the product function. If you'd like to learn more about Excel, I have all the formulas you need broken down into each of their own videos. If you found this video helpful, please consider clicking the like button, and most importantly, thank you for watching.